Hello, people of the interwebs. Today we are going to learn to carve a turkey. I'm Chef Cash White, and I'm here today because God has delivered me from my circumstances and left me in a place where I can share my love of food with you. Today, we are actually going to work on learning how to carve a turkey. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. If you looked at our other recipes below, you noticed that we have a couple of Thanksgiving favorites on there. Some of them have a little twist of my own. And here's our turkey. So you want to start with a good carving knife. You know it's a carving knife by the shape of the knife. It's going to be long with a little bit of a curve on the edge and a sharp point. Also make sure that you have it sharp. Nothing is worse than a dull knife. Much more dangerous. I prefer to use my tongs to hold our turkey so it doesn't slide around. We're gonna start here with the breast meat. Right down the middle here, you have a bone, and you're gonna carve the breast meat away from the bone. So you can hold your turkey like this. You're just gonna give it a slice on the side of the bone. You notice our skin is nice and crispy. That's exactly how you want it. Give this guy a slice all the way down the front. You just want to carve it against the bone. We got all that beautiful stuff on the inside there. Now I'm going to carve it from the bottom side away from the rest of it. So we have a nice breast. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we're going to deal with the drumstick. Cut the twine. So we're going to get a hold of the drumstick, just like this. We're going to separate it from the joint. Just slice it right off. Totally butchering this. This is much better. We'll do the same thing with the wing. Then, if you don't butcher that drumstick. All right. I don't know what to do. All right. All right, so everyone must know their limits. Apparently, butchering a turkey is something I'm good at. Carving a turkey may not be. I do have a couple of good pieces here. We're still going to eat it. It's going to be a happy Thanksgiving. We're just going to leave it at that. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm humbled by this turkey. Guys, I love y'all. Remember the one thing that's the most important, even when you're carving a turkey like this, is to keep your faith and enjoy the food. I love you guys. Happy Thanksgiving.